नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहिए। दिस इज JVN Dr. Vishal Saxena, Associate Professor in Mathematics and Statistics in Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Today I am going to discuss about the module Vital Statistics and Vital Index. This module is a part of the course Biostatistics. So first we see what is meaning of vital statistics. Vital statistics, also known as vital events or the vital records, are an important source of demographic data. They explain statistically such events as births, deaths, marriages, divorces, etc. According to Andy Rider, they provide cumulative summaries for successive time periods of population movements like births, deaths, migration, marriage and marital dissolution, as well as demographic and other relevant characteristics of the individuals involved in these events. But in underdeveloped countries, due to mass illiteracy and ignorance, the registration of births, deaths, marriages, migration, etc. is not done, especially by people living in rural areas. So next, now we see the meaning of vital index. Vital index is the ratio of births to the deaths within a population during a given time. So this is the vital index definition, and it is the ratio of births to deaths within a population during a given time. However, in the majority of developing countries and in all developed countries, the registration of vital events like births, deaths, marriages, divorces, migrations, etc. is a compulsory process. Now we see the application part of the vital statistics. The first is for the individual. Vital statistics are of much use for an individual. A birth certificate issued by the registering authority is an important document which records the date, time, place and the percentage of the person. It establishes his identity as the citizen of the country. It is a legal document which is used for admission to a school, for getting a passport to travel abroad, and even to migrate to another country, etc. Similarly, a marriage certificate records the marital status of a couple and legalize the birth of the children from that marriage. Second is the legal use. Vital statistics are legally very useful. Certificates relating to birth, death, marriages, divorce, etc. have legal importance. For instance, a death certificate is an important legal document for the settlement of property of the deceased person, the claim of his or her insurance policy, etc. Point number 3 is health and family planning programs. Vital statistics relating to births and deaths can be used in health and family planning programs of the government. The causes of deaths and the mortality rates for different categories help in assessing the health condition of the people. According, the state can formulate such health programs as malaria or the programs as malaria eradication, polio and smallpox immunization, tuberculosis, etc. In keeping with the requirements of the population, the government can open hospitals, maternity and child welfare centers, etc. Next point is study of the social conditions. Vital statistics like birth and death rates, divorce rate, widow remarriages, widowhood, etc. throw light on the social conditions of a society as also its customs and traditions. Point number 5 is for administrators and planners. Data provided by vital statistics relating to trend and growth of the population in the various age groups and on the whole help planners and administrators to plan and formulate policies for public health, education, housing, transport and communications, food supplies, etc. And the point number 6 is for the nation. Vital statistics are of the much importance for the nation. They help in analyzing the population trends at any given point of time. They try to fill the gap between two censuses. They relate to the composition, size, distribution and growth of the population. It is on their basis that population projections can be made. Vital statistics help in formulating policies for providing social security to the people, even the rules for immigration and immigration can be framed on the basis of population growth data. Vital statistics are also used for updating electoral rolls and demarcation of the constituencies. This session is powered by Digital Version 2, Jayoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. I hope all you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in the comment box and I will resolve your doubts and problems. Thank you.